name's Adrianne Moen. I'm one of the family physicians at Lakewood Health System, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about some of the changes that are happening as we gear up for school year, in particular, wearing our masks. And I know for me personally, it's been one of those things that as a physician, I always used to hate dreading going into the OR because I knew I had to wear my mask for at least an hour and I couldn't touch my face, and it was always a relief to take it off. But now, since March, myself and all of my colleagues have been wearing our masks day in and day out for 8 hours at a time, and as much as we sometimes still hate them, we have gotten used to it, and I know that you and your families will have the opportunity to have to embrace this challenge as well, but masks truly do help, and I want to talk to you a little bit more about that today. So first, I wanted to give you a few tips about wearing your mask, and ideally this is one of our surgical masks that we get to wear. So similarly, you loop it around your ears and over your nose, make sure it's nice and snug and covers your entire mouth and nose as well. As you're wearing it, one of the things that I've seen that I think is really funny is comparing it to your underwear. So you don't want to touch your underwear a bunch during the day, you don't share it with your friends, and you always want to make sure it's clean. So those are some good tips to keep in mind for you and your family for the school year. One last thing I wanted to impart upon you is that it does seem like it'd be really hard for even a surgical mask or just a cloth mask to really have that big of an impact. But if you take a look at the simple experiment. So first I have here a small candle and I've lit it and I'm going to blow it out without anything on my face. Pretty easy, goes right out. Now with my surgical mask on, I'm going to try to blow it out. Can't do it. So as you can see, even a surgical mask, but even a small face covering can really help and go a long way in preventing the spread of those aerosol droplets. So I hope this helps and everyone gear up for a safe and happy and hopefully long school year.